guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ruth and today I'm looking like a hot mess, and not even with the use of the first word, just looking like a mess. I've actually been sick for like 4 or 5 days with 103 fever. I was on the verge of death, you guys, but I'm good now. And so obviously now that I'm fine, my house is a complete wreck, because if you're a mom, you know that if you're down for more than 12 hours at a time, your house just gets turned completely upside down. So do not judge the rooms I'm going to show you, because they do not always look like this. But I've been down for 5 days and my husband and the 3 kids have just been doing their thing, So I figured this would be a perfect time for a clean with me. I'm gonna start out with the kitchen. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. I have a ton to do, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna take you along for and what I'm not. But anyway, I just thought you'd like to clean with me. So without further ado, let's get cleaning. So I don't know about you guys, but if I can start off my day with a load of laundry in the washer, I feel so much more productive already. And that way it can be going and cleaning while I'm cleaning, so I feel kind of like a double cleaning going on. But is that just me? guys, my sister recommended the Method all-purpose cleaner to me, and I picked it up in this Honeycrisp apple scent, and oh my gosh, you guys, you have got to smell this cleaner. It smells amazing. I'm one of those people who watch the cleaning shows and I'm like, really, Mrs. Meyer's again? Really? Method again? But no, trust me, you guys, it is so worth it. Go smell these products. I am a fan. I am a cleaning junkie now. You've got to trust me. Go try the Honeycrisp apple. It's amazing. Okay guys, that was it for my kitchen deep clean with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it gave you some sort of motivation to start cleaning yourselves. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.